bag hauler here, coming to you with a video. But before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications if you are new to my channel. I want to say thank you to all of the new subscribers that have come along. I'm trying to get to those 1,000 subscribers, so I got a little bit to go, but I want to thank you all anyway because it does help. And I hope that I provide some very good information for you when choosing the perfect handbag. So anyway, this is like my third time doing this video because the first couple of times I was really hungry and I was trying to get the video done, and I was trying to do an bagging, I would say, because what I have didn't come in a box. And I was trying to rush. I cut the bag open. I thought I cut the purse. It was just it was just crazy. I'll save that one for my blooper reel one day if I ever do one. But anyway, since I already opened the bag, I got a late Christmas gift from my husband. He said he ordered it early November, but it just came today. So introducing the purple New York Cordae. This one is the 30 centimeter. And then I already had this blue one, which was the 35. So you can see the difference in the sizes right there. They're both really light bags. It's not, hassle to carry these. And don't mind the misshape to this. I just, it kind of goes back into shape. Like on the sides right there. That's poking in more than this one. That's why it looks misshaped. Because I just noticed that like, this is a little misshaped. But it's just because of that. But anyway, so this is the bag. So the purple one is the new one. This blue one is my previous one. I did a video on that. You can tell the size difference there. And let's kind of look at it this way if we can. A little bit. You can see a little bit the size difference there. Just a little bit. So it's basically set up the same way. I put the key tag on here already. The key is in there, and I just put the lock on there like that because I never lock my bag. First of all, this bag is really difficult to get into if you are definitely in a rush, because you have to take this off of here for one. If you have the lock on it, you gotta undo the lock. This turns, so you have to turn that, take the straps out and off. So it's a lot to do to try to get in and out this bag. So I know a lot of people just leave the bag open, or I carry mine like this, kind of like this. Yeah, because I don't want to be doing all of that, but I also don't want to have my bag open. So anyway, let's get to the inside here. So here's the dust bag. I'll show you what happens to it. So this is a one slip pocket on the front of the bag. And then you have a zipper pocket here on the inside of the bag. You can see a little bit the inside. And the 35 does not come with a strap, but the 30 does, and I believe the 25 comes with the strap too. And I had already did the strap, so this is how you hook it up to there, as you can see. Okay, and then on this side too. And then the hardware is gold, as you can see, and this one also turns. And then I love these bags because that heat seal is just the bum up top right there. That just don't seem like it's gonna come off ever. But anyway, this is the bag. Now I was trying to close this bag completely just for storage purposes, and it was a little bit difficult to do it. Let me see. Slide this little part in here, like right here. It was a little bit, it kind of didn't fit. I might have to just play with it a little, But it may help too if I take the plastic off. Well, I'll do it. I'll take the plastic off of this at a later time because it seems as if it's a little bit difficult to take it off of here. And I don't want to waste up my video time trying to take plastic off of this little notch right here. Oh man, I can't get this off for real. I'm definitely not putting no more scissors to it. I already had a little scare at first. But let me see if I can take this. I almost got it off. There we go. I got it. Okay, so I just want to show you all to clasp it, how it works. So yeah, it fits better without the plastic. Let me take the plastic off. So, you know, you just, oh, it came back out. Okay. And then just put this here. Yeah, so I would not, this too difficult to try to get in and out this bag with these buckles. This buckle, oh no. I will not be buckling that. That was too much right there. But anyway, I just want to come and do this for you. And I'll do a what's in my bag at a later time and compare both of the bags so you can see what it holds. So let me show you all what happened to this when I was opening up the bag. And that's the thing, this bag came in like a regular mailer. So it was, you could see the shape, you could see it. It was really no protection to the bag. So I don't know what that was about, but I cut it, as you can see. Oh, when I opened the bag, I was like, oh, I thought I had cut the bag, but it was the dust bag. I'll never do that again. But anyway, so it came inside of this white bag, and then the white bag was inside of the black bag. So that was some protection from me cutting it with the scissors. But yeah, so yep, that's what I wanted to bring to you guys today. And I hope you all have a very, very happy new year. And hopefully my Dooney purchase comes. Just an update on that. It did ship out because I ended up calling them and the girl had told me that it was set to ship that day. So I was like, whew, I was happy. So once that comes, I'll do a review for you all and we'll check it out. But until then, happy new year and be safe out there, and I will see you all on my next video.